Hey, let's look at what this is, folks. Let's look at what this is. You see who that is? You see who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Can somebody tell me who that is? That looks like the man himself. Is he doing the Hulk Hogan for real?
Tell I got my goodie powders in me right now. Boy, look, I'm stepping around like it ain't nothing.
Watch your way. Oh. Tell you, get on out of here, get something.
Like, if you don't get that out my face, I be watching the wrong stuff, but my ADHD be kicking in, boy. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Jig just falling. Be like, oh, what's that? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get him.
There we go. There we go. Here we go.
You put the net, baby.
I can swing. I got 8-pound braid on here.
Okay, well, swing him while I go get the net.
Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. What is happening, YouTube? Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. And folks, look at who I'm fishing with. Look who I'm fishing with. I'm fishing with again. We got the man, the myth, the legend himself. Crappie Baits by CMI out there. We back out here.
Oh, let me get the bucket, boss. Sorry, my bad.
Appreciate you, sir. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
We're back out here on Clarks Hill Lake on the hunt for these big Shirleys. You know what, too, man?
What that?
Bring me my phone. I'm going to get some live scope today.
I'm suing. Hey.
Oh, yeah. And we got Krista with us today.
There you go.
Because last time we came out here, I had some issues.
I was about to say, don't say we.
I ain't going to say we. I had some issues. So Krista's with us. Krista was with us last time. I just didn't use it. So as always, folks, hey, if you are just now tuning into this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Crappie Baits by CMI himself.
That's right.
So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale.
Let's go get him.
Don't you fall over. After you hit the water?
I don't even look to see where I'm casting.
Okay,
I look at the troll motor out the corner of my eye, and I'm watching for the splash.
For the splash, okay. All right.
But then if I don't see it within the first couple of seconds, I just reel up.
Oh, so, you see the spring, you see the splash right now.
Right. So, boom.
And now I know you're going to be falling right down there, which you are right there. And
okay, now I see it.
But because we drifting, because I know you right there, so I have to turn the motor. So we drifting that way, so I'm trying to keep an eye over there. There you are on the side of it. Get that fish down there.
He ain't gonna come play.
Oh, but that would do. Oh, yeah.
Kind of caught me slipping.
Yeah.
Kind of got excited.
But you know where she went, so she's right in that tree.
Yep.
Transferring like software update.
It's like 4 or 5 of them in that tree.
I ain't trying to update no software. What are you doing? You gonna make me wait?
Boy, it's hard for me to decipher where the hell I'm at with all that stuff up there.
There you go, another big word, boss. Decipher.
Decipher. Make out. Oh, there.
There you are, right there.
Yeah.
So bring it on over to the top of that. What you got on there?
It's a 116.
That's heavy enough. That ain't no 116.
That's tungsten. That's the tungsten bead. See? That's tied on. You can see the slot right there.
Yeah, but if you look at that jig head and you look at this one, that's a 116. Yeah,
that's the same weight.
Huh.
Yeah. Exact same weight. Might be a little bit heavier. Where you go? Oh, okay.
Oh. You're coming in way hot. I dropped it right on her head. What you doing?
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. That's a striper.
Yeah.
That's a hybrid.
Hybrids.
Hybrid. Where you at?
Right here. Caught some of them yesterday. You keeping this?
Yeah.
All right, man. There we go.
That's lemon pepper.
That's one of them.
Lemon up the ass, baby.
Ooh, 32, 32, 32.
32.
You gotta go. 30, 30, 30 coming at us. Yep. You right in front of him.
Nope.
She turned around, but she's 26 now. We'll do it this way.
There's one right there.
She dropped it down. Let that fish go. All right, let's get that out of here.
Lemon pepper. Oh.
You gotta be nice. Golly. I don't get to be big by being stupid.
Damn.
Where?
Right there.
Are you on? Yeah, you're right there. Between the two of us jumping right in
Said
front of
no.
There we go. Now we got you moving.
Here we go.
What you going? God dog it.
There you go. Here you come. That's a nice crappie right there. It's two of them. Will the other one commit?
Back up a little
Commit.
bit. We ain't got to lose him. You bastard!
He like this right here. He's like, no. Like, if you don't get that out my face, that dude's like, no.
What are you doing up
Like,
there?
I don't want no parts of that.
Small anyway.
Oh, he ain't.
Drop it on down on his head there, man.
He
Drop
ain't
it on
small.
down over here. The heck did she go?
I don't know. Went back that way towards the other one. Oh yeah.
I'm thinking them a bait.
Yeah. Yep. That's not.
Nope.
Come this way.
You right there on her now. She's going the other way though.
Yeah.
Two of them sitting still out there.
I see.
30-ish.
Go for it. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yep.
Hey,
Oh, she's a nice one. Net her.
I saw.
She was like, what? What?
It's like you spooked her. I was like, oh, I got to get that.
Give me that. Give me that.
Get over here.
There's another one out there, 38.
Wait. Right now.
Yep. Scoot you up on her. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get you up on her.
There's three of them out there. Them?
She's right there, but it's in the middle. There's a couple pieces of bait right in front of her. They're right there. You right there. She didn't turn.
Nope.
Oh, she looked like she's about to. Oh, both wolves. All right, I'm gonna swing it around, and I'm gonna put it around to the front.
Swanger.
Swanger. There you go.
Good going.
No, we're still swinging this way though. No, you good.
Oh, okay.
Let it get on down and put that rod tip down. Put that rod tip down. Now control that bait. Come on, baby. You drop below it. You drop below him, you out of it.
That's the funny part right there.
Mm-hmm. Ready to go. I think you in there. I'm trying to find your phone. Pull it up.
No. Negative. Oh, I threw the wrong way. That might help. Come on. Yes, sir.
Yep. Yep.
Put it in their face.
She did. Hang on, if I can grab her.
The 950s.
Woke her up too, it looked like.
Mm-hmm.
She ain't the biggest, but she won.
I see what I gotta do. Just get it as close as possible.
And dance on top of her head.
See if I gotta play my fiddle, see if she gonna dance.
Kind of like you jiggle it in front of her face.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, boss.
Do it like a strip club. She jiggling in front of her face.
You want this dollar?
Uh-huh. Kind of chilled out.
Yeah, I have no clue.
That's you right there. Drop down.
Yeah, it disappears, and then I just play. I play the odds and go high.
But then the thing is, so what I would say is, play the other odds, let it go through, and then find it on the bottom end.
Facts.
As long as you ain't passing the fish up.
Right. Man, boss. It is some boy. It make the 10s look like babies.
Well, all right, YouTube. You see what it is. You see what it is. That is going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. CMI, what you got to say, man? What you got to say?
He asked me, did I want to come back to Clark's Hill? I said, yeah. I can go to the lab later, for real. I can make baits later, big time. But other than that, I really appreciate him taking me.
Hey, man, always a blast to have you on the boat, folks. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves a comment, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Crappie Baits by CMI.
That's right.
Check him out at crappiebaits.cmi, crappiebaitsbycmi.com on the web.
That's a mouthful.
Yeah, man, say it again for me.
Crappiebaitsbycmi.com and Fishing with CMI and Cummings Mechanical and Crappie Baits by CMI on TikTok. That's right.
Catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
And remember, you cannot catch them from the couch. So get up,
get out, and go fishing.